Welcome to Tech Tree. In last video we have seen this example of abstract factory pattern. Let's try to write some code based on this scenario. Let's open Eclipse. Let's create an interface food. So let's create abstract class. Let's create abstract class food. Let's create two methods like get quantity and get name, and let's override toString method. So you can also override toString method. Just right click, source, generate toString, and then you can select this method and just click on OK. Let's create another class, Indian food. That extends food class. Let's add an unimplemented method. Right. Let's create two final variables, quantity and name, and let's create a constructor using fields. So right click, source, and constructor using fields. Return this. Yeah, this is fine. Let's create another class, Chinese food. Let's generate constructor. Using fields, yeah. And that's it, yeah, that is fine. Now let's create abstract food factory class. So we will create abstract food factory. Let's make it interface, and in interface, yeah, we will create a method place order that will return food. So we are creating a food by placing a order. Okay, fine. Now we will create Indian food factory. So let's create a class Indian food factory, and that implements abstract food factory. Let's add unimplemented method. Yeah, so we are creating Indian food here. That's fine. Now let's create Chinese food factory.